And so, one more surprise. We also got you guys a brand new motorcycle. Here you go.
Thank you, gracias.
No problem. Yeah. Now they have a brand new home and a way to get around. And this got me thinking. While giving away all these houses, I noticed a lot of people were struggling with transportation. And I gotta solve in this truck. Open it up. We got bicycles for every single kid in this village.
Gracias, Mr. P.
No problem, man.
Gracias, Mr. P.
And after giving away 99 free homes, we still had one home left to give